Ever pulled an all-nighter and then found yourself sleeping deeply into the afternoon? That's your brain's way of repaying sleep debt, a process that's more sophisticated than it might seem. As health professionals, you know the sleep-wake cycle is regulated by a homeostatic process. The body is constantly trying to balance rest and alertness. But here's the million-dollar question. What's actually happening inside the brain when we recover from lost sleep? A fascinating new study published in Science has pinpointed a group of neurons, called RevGlut2, at the heart of this process. Located in the thalamus, specifically the nucleus reunions, these excitatory neurons could hold the key to understanding how animals, and potentially humans, rebound after sleep deprivation. In the study, researchers used mice and a technique called retrograde viral tracing. Picture this. A special virus acts as a tracer, traveling backward through the brain's wiring, mapping out the exact circuit involved in recovering from sleep loss. What they found was remarkable. When mice were deprived of sleep, RevGlut2 neurons kicked into gear. The mice didn't immediately doze off, but instead started showing those classic "I'm about to crash" behaviors, like nesting and grooming. Not long after, these behaviors gave way to a deep, restorative NREM sleep that lasted for hours. The researchers went a step further, using optogenetics, basically flipping a molecular light switch on these neurons. Activation nudged the mice into pre-sleep routines, but the real magic happened after a significant rebound of deep sleep. When they chemically inhibited these neurons during sleep deprivation, the mice's ability to recover lost sleep was dramatically reduced. But it's not just about one group of neurons. These RevGlut2 cells send signals to a region called the zona incerta, known for its role in sleep regulation. If the connection between the nucleus reunions and zona incerta was blocked, especially by inhibiting a key protein called CAM-key, the mice struggled to recover from sleep debt. So why does this matter for us? Understanding these neural circuits is a huge step forward in sleep science. It opens up new possibilities for supporting shift workers, people with chronic sleep disruption, and even tackling diseases like Alzheimer's, where sleep impairment is a major concern. Sleep is universal, but the way our brains manage its debt is still being unraveled. With discoveries like this, we're a little closer to understanding, and maybe one day controlling how the brain resets itself after sleepless nights. Thanks for tuning in, and stay curious about those incredible brains you care for every day.